You are fond of dates for its delicious taste, right? But dates are not only delicious but are rich in nutrients and provide instant energy. That is why they are called as protein powerhouses. Let us discuss about the importance and benefits of dates. Stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Natural Cosmos. We all know that dates are rich in iron and fiber. But dates also contain many essential vitamins which include calcium, magnesium, zinc, potassium and phosphorus. These are all helpful for the human body. Apart from that, dates contain a plethora of health benefits. They are useful in controlling rate of the heartbeat, reducing blood pressure and reducing all kind of heart diseases. Dates contain vitamin C in the form of antioxidants. These antioxidants are helpful in maintaining good eyesight and eliminating eye diseases. Dates are useful in increasing weight for people who are suffering from underweight. Also, they contain 0% cholesterol and good fat only. Date helps in eliminating constipation. Pitted dates can be taken and they can be ground and they can be made into a thick concentrate. This thick concentrate is soaked in water overnight and they can be consumed early in the morning. This helps in eliminating constipation. Also, it acts as a laxative. Dates help for good bone strength. This is because dates not only contain iron and fiber but also contains minerals like calcium, zinc and potassium. These help in improving the bone health and also the teeth health. Apart from these, dates also eliminates cough, phlegm and throat infections. Also, they eliminate anemia and large intestine problems. Many people consume dates as a fruit, but it is highly recommended that dry fruits should be considered as natural sweetener in recipes, drinks, beverages and supplements. But why not sugar or jaggery? Because sugar or jaggery contains bad cholesterol and they tend to increase disorders or diseases like diabetes, obesity and blood pressure. They also cause an increase in triglycerides, cough, phlegm, throat infection and tooth decay. On the other hand, dates contain 0% cholesterol and produce good fat. Many people have got several doubts that whether diabetic patients can consume dates or not. Yes, diabetic patients can consume dates. This is because the glycemic index of dates is very much less when compared to sugar or jaggery. This helps in less increase in sugar levels for diabetic patients. But it is recommended that they can consume 2 to 3 dates in a day, provided if they follow healthy food habits and if they do workouts regularly. But in the earlier days, availability of the dates is the major concern. People have the chance or choice of consuming dates only in one season. They do not have the chance of consuming dates in all the 4 seasons. But as the awareness has increased among the people, the vendors have started storing the dates in cold storages. Hence, the dates are available in all the 4 seasons. But alternatively, one can have the pitted dates. They can ground it and they can make into a thick concentrate. This thick concentrate can be stored in refrigerator so that they can be used for a long period of time. Some people think that dates can be adulterated by using honey or jaggery. This is because the thick and sticky liquid formed in between the dates. But this is not correct. The thick and sticky liquid formed in between the dates is due to the natural sweeteners of the dates itself. Also, dates are viscous in nature. They are highly viscous. So, this viscous nature forms the thick and sticky liquid in between the dates. Also, the cost of the honey or the cost of the jaggery are almost all equivalent to the cost of dates. So vendors cannot make a profit out of it, even though if they do so. So the bottom line is that dates are the boon given by the Mother Nature to the mankind. One should completely avoid using sugar or jaggery, and they can use dates in that place. By doing so, they can eliminate dangerous disorders or diseases like diabetes, obesity, and blood pressure. So why late? Let us consume dates daily and have the health benefits. For more information on the topic, please visit the website naturocosmos.com. I am leaving the URL in the description box below. Please like, share and subscribe the channel so that it boosts interest for me to research more on the articles. Also, click on the bell icon so that you can get immediate notifications on my video uploads. Also, do not forget to write your views, comments, thoughts, perspectives in the comment section below. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kiran signing off until we meet in the next video.